Bonus video, I'm Mike Zima, a Shopify marketing expert with over 1,000 reviews. In this Shopify marketing tutorial, I'm going to go over your Shopify Google Ads account insights. Before we dive into this lengthy Google Ads tutorial to get your store off the ground and running, make sure you leave your questions below here in the comments field so I can reach out to them and answer them one by one. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe and like it because every week we're releasing new tutorials that are exclusively from our agency. No one is going to show you how awesome this is and how you can do it yourself, and every agency out there is going to make you pay for this knowledge, and I'm giving it away for free because I want to help you rise up and be the best business you can. So let's get started, and I'll give you this brief overview into Google Ads before we dive really deep into setting up your first campaign so you can get the dollars and sales rolling into your store. Come on, let's go. Here's a few main things you need to know to navigate your Google Ads dashboard with no extra hassle. Google Ads campaigns. Here you'll find all of the campaigns you create for your Shopify store. Those can be search, display, and video ad campaigns. Ad groups. Here you'll see that ad groups your campaign consists of. Usually, you'd create a separate ad group for each product you want to advertise. Ad and extensions. Here, you'll be able to see all the ad copies and ad extensions you create and their individual performance. Keywords. Here, you'll be able to manage the keywords you want to target and monitor the performance of each keyword. Audiences. Here, you'll be able to target or observe lookalike, affinity, in-market, and custom audiences. Settings. Here you'll be able to change the main parameters of your campaign, such as targeted and excluded locations, budget, bidding, languages, campaign status, and goals. Now from Tools and Settings, you can go to Keyword Planner. Here, you'll be able to research the keywords for your campaign, see their volume, cost per click, as well as forecast your ad spend. From Tools and Settings, Measurement, Conversions. Here you'll be able to set up proper conversion tracking and import Google Analytics goals to feed the Google algorithm with valuable data. From Tools and Settings, Planning, Ad Preview, and Diagnostic. Here you'll be able to see in a test mode how your ads look in search results and what search queries they appear for. From Tools and Settings, Shared Library, Bid Strategies. Here you'll be able to create multiple bid strategies for your campaigns automatically. See their performance and plan your future bids accordingly. Now you have the most critical basics of Google Ads and are ready to start building your first Google Ads campaign. But more about this in our next tutorials. Thank you for watching the Shopify marketing tutorial. Every day we're posting new videos and we're investing hundreds of thousands of dollars to make content exclusively for you. So be sure to subscribe and share this on your social networks and let the word out. The best marketing content is found on Zima Media.